Hey everybody, welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't already, please make sure to join the Alleyways family, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications so you know when I have new content. We're going to Disney, and I'm so excited. I'm packing now. It's taken me so long, but I finally have everything out, organized, and ready to go into my bag. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I take, how I organize things that are organized, and then we're going to put it all in the bag. Okay, so here you can see I have everything that I am taking laid out. So let's start over here. These are my hair extensions that I'm going to be taking. I'm going to just wear my halo hair extension because it's most comfortable and we're going to be there for a long time. I know hair extensions sound ridiculous in the park, but I am creating content and this makes me feel confident. I love the Hidden Crown carrying case because I can just fold it up like this. It's really small, it's really flat, and this is real human hair, so I can style it any way that I want. I will have some reserve band-aids in my suitcase outside of my, oh, look at that, I'm making a mess, outside of my Disney Parks backpack in case we just need more, as well as backup ibuprofen. And then you guys know my pencil case obsession. This is my mini ear pencil case that goes in my suitcase. So these are all the ears I'm going to wear on the trip. And then on the day, I will just pull the pair out that I'm going to wear and in the park and just put one on my head and one in the backpack. Moving on over here. So I pack so many socks because I always have a spare in my backpack in case my socks get wet. I just can't stand that. So I pack plenty. I have a pair of sleep socks. And then here's my outfits organized by day. So this right here is my outfit for going home. These two outfits are my outfits for Hollywood Studios. These two outfits are my outfits for Magic Kingdom. And over here are reserve outfits. Here's my pajamas with slippers, unmentionables. My amazing Disney tennis shoes. I've got the other pair on right now. I'm taking two pair of these shoes from Walmart. They're so comfortable. Of course, I have to have my dossier with me. The park can get stinky, and so I like to bring my dossier with me to just spray on as the day goes so I don't feel like I smell terrible. My favorite curling iron. This is in my Amazon store, so I'll get up in the morning and style my hair with that. And then my toiletry towers. So I have one tower for things that I need just in the shower or while I'm getting ready. And then this is my skincare tower. So everything I need for my nighttime routine, Q-tips, cotton balls, moisturizer, cleanser, eye creams, lash serum, chapstick. And then over here we have my makeup case. So I had the Sephora case for a long time, but it got kind of tired and worn out. And I just got this one from Pink Lily and I'm obsessed. So you can remove these things and make little custom shapes and sizes. So this is everything I need to do full glam. That's how I pack my makeup kit. Because if you can do a full glam look, you can do natural. I love this little place here that's lined for brushes. And it closes, and then there's a zipper pouch here, and I put an extra palette back there. And then how cute is this? So that's my makeup, toiletries, clothes and PJs, ears, hair, and that's everything I need. So now let's go get it in the suitcase. The satisfaction. So we've got Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, shoes, perfume, sleep socks, band-aids, and then skincare on top of mini ears. And then this is like kind of the deep part of my suitcase that is divided by the handle. So underneath here, my curling iron fit perfectly. We've got pajamas and slippers. And then this is where I'll put my socks and underoos. Then let's move on to the back half. Okay, and here is the back half of the suitcase. So I do my toiletry tower half open, so it's not as bulky, and then in the opposite space I put my makeup case because then it forms like one flat surface, and all the rest of this are my husband's clothes because I wasn't going earlier this week, and then I ended up getting time off of work and he was already there, and we didn't plan this trip until the very last minute, so I had to bring his Disney clothes. So now we have two perfectly packed sides of suitcases and we're ready to go. That is it. That's everything I'm taking to Disney with me. Please stay tuned for more videos. I'll have a Disney lookbook, maybe another Disney Instagram guide, and of course vlogs from my days in Disney. Yeah, thank you all so much. I know a lot of you guys are here just for Disney content, and it's been a while, so thank you for sticking around. I love you all. I appreciate you so much, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!